Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's session I'm going to share with you the process of coloring this my character design, and of course before I started color it I need just to draw it. And what is important in this stage, of course I'm drawing. I make some quite simple and clear drawing of my character, and I would like just to emphasize that your drawing of your character design again and again in different poses you can get, and you can be more sure with your character and your character design, and so it is not useful or just useless work, and it is not just hard work for nothing. And each your drawing of character design to your story or to your illustration, it is just benefit by themselves. So I'm going to work on my character design with Derwent Colorsoft colored pencils, and I limited myself for only six pencils, six colors, because I think it is a good idea and a good decision. So before I starting to apply outline on all my drawing, I just erased some graphite graphite pencil, because I would like to get only very light lines of the simple pencil. And after that I'm going just to outline, to add outline with brownish color. And actually I'm quite like this stage, because each my drawing, each my detail I can refine, I can to think about it again and again, and to just to refine it. And I just like this stage of work. And it is a little bit, I don't know, just take time, but I think it is crucial. It is what we need to do before add colors. And also it's like in digital art, in digital drawing as well. You have the your drawing, your main drawing, line drawing, very important for character design. Maybe for example, if we will talk about landscape or some sketches of just for understand colors, maybe it doesn't crucial to add outline. But for character design, of course, you have to add lines. And I think in this case I used brownish red brown color, and I think it is quite right decision, because I would like to use a very warm and warm greenish, and maybe kind of autumn colors of autumn, nature in autumn. So I forget just to add one hand, and I added it for now. And also, I refine, I think again, when I outline my drawing, I just test again and again what I can refine here, what I can add, and also about outfit, about different parts of my drawing. And I change, as you can see here, I changed a little bit the head of my character. And I think now my outline quite ready, and now I suggest to you to just to make two exercise for understanding your the characteristic or the, I don't know, behavior of your own color pencils, because each color pencil, they are slightly different, has different behavior kind of. So I suggest to you for one exercise just to make to add very bright and tender, delicate tone with your pencil. Also, it can help you to understand what is which color you can get here. And in this case, I would like just to stop and to explain a little bit more, because my main idea for colored pencils to use your, you don't need any blender, any white blender. I think so, because of course it depends on your style and etc. But in my knowledge, I think it is, we can use just a white color of your paper. You don't need to add any white color to forget some bright tone. And that's what I would like to share and to show you in this exercise, because in this exercise you can get different colors, different tones with the same only one pencil, without adding any white color or any another blender. And it only depends on your pressure on your pencil. That's it. So you need just to understand what is, how your pencils how you can press on your pencil, how you can, the pressure on your pencil, very important, because for now I am going to blend this red brownish color with indigo color. And it is not indigo, it most looks like ultramarine, but never mind, Derwent decided that it is indigo. Okay, I'm not going to argue with them. And again, I add by step by step, I add tones in these gradients, in this gradient of coloring. And I think you can get it also step by step, and with patiently, and you will get quite a good transmission and transmission with colors. You don't need to use any blender forget and to, you see, I try to add a white color, and I think it is quite pointless, because I don't know, I don't use it, and I think I can't understand when people use it for blending, because if you can control your pressure, you can just blend with between two colors without any another tool, another pencil. And I think control your pressure. It is key of your succeed with color pencils. And of course, as you can see, I've got here another hue of colors, and now I would like to experiment with the same indigo color and yellowish one, just to get kind of green color. I don't want to use and to use for my drawing bright and green color. I think it should be this greenish color is completely enough for my reason, for my needs, for my character design. Because as you can see in this illustration with watercolors, you can see that this is my palette of colors that I would like to use, kind of autumn colors of nature, and that's it. This is enough for me, and I'm going to use the same colors. Of course, leaf or rhododendron leaf, I try to add and to color with another colors, because I would like just to emphasize that this is my character, and this is a scrolled leaf that he is holding, and I would like just to color it differently. And that's it. And here you can see that I just put under my hand another paper sheet, just to protect my previous, or my part of drawing with color pencils, just to protect it with not smooth or things like that, just to take it safe, just to protect it. And of course, in my drawing, as you can see, I think in this case a little bit overcolored all this, because actually you don't need to fill up all area of your drawing. You can just it, some parts, some touches could be enough for your drawing. Just understand the colors, and that's it. And another thing, if you can control your pressure, you can, of course, to add quite dark color, and just dark tones, and of course to add contrast, because without contrast, we need it as a keyword, another keyword for success in your illustration. And so in this case, again, I think I overcolored this my drawing, but never mind. And I just have fun to do so. And so why I talk about color pencils here, because if you can control your pressure on color pencil, on each pencil, also on graphite pencil, also on black pencils, as I show with my previous session, and you can master your work and to get quite nice effects and nice color illustration. And so in the same thing, in the same way, just try to make these two exercise to control your pressure on the pencil, because it is very important. It can help you, and also it can help you be very helpful for your digital drawing, because digital tools, they are very sensitive, and if you press you too much on your digital pen, it's not good. It is not good. So that's it for now, and I think it is quite accomplished. I accomplished my drawing, my illustration, my character design. It is not exactly the colors of that which I'm going to use, and but never mind. It's the main point for this session, to share with you and to explain how it is important to use and to control your hand, to control your pressure on color pencils, because it is actually very it is most important. And I add here different parts, different tiny things, just to emphasize and to clarify, for clarity, just to add different tiny things, and also to emphasize the cheeks, as you can see here, and also the eyes of my character design. Of course, I can use a black color pencil, and but for now I would like just to avoid to use black colors, because I would like to manage my work, this tiny piece of my drawing, without black colors, and without any black color, and just to emphasize and to share that if you keep your pencils sharp, you can add quite dark and contrast parts to your work. And yes, I emphasize the eyes and the tiny details of the face of my character, and but again, without any adding black color or some parts of black color. And now it looks quite finished and accomplished, and my work here, you can see I add tiny details and final touch for my to this illustration, to this tiny part. And again, I would like just to say that these two exercises very crucial to make, and very very important to make, and just to understand the behavior of your color pencils, and just do it, please, and do it to yourself. And finally, I add some spots on the head, and now my character design card with a color pencil is ready. And thank you for watching, and keep drawing with graphite pencil on colored pencils. It doesn't matter, and bye for now.